Hey Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, and today I'd like to introduce the 2019 May Lease Special. So any qualifying 2019 BMW X3 will qualify for our lease special, which is going to be at $344 per month. Now that's going to be at 36 months and 10,000 miles per year. So, what's all included in the X3 that you're going to be leasing? Well, there's a couple cool standard features I wanted to show you. So you will have a standard backup camera. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. Whenever you put the vehicle in reverse, your backup camera will display, and this will help you park your vehicle back up and just make you aware of your surroundings. Now, a couple other features are going to be the heated front seats to keep you guys nice and toasty in the cold Chicago winters. Now, this particular X3, I'm going to list the stock number and link below, so you guys can check it out online if you'd like to. It's also going to have cruise control. It's going to be a jet black exterior with the black Sensatac interior. Now, the Sensatac isn't leather, however, it really does feel like leather. You guys have to come and check it out. I mean, personally, I can't tell the difference, so it's something you really need to, see to believe sort of thing. So another feature equipped on this particular X3 is the run flat tires. So if you're not familiar with the run flat tires, say for instance if you get a nail in your tire, what happens is the sidewall of the run flat tire is a lot thicker than a standard tire, so that's going to enable you guys to still keep driving even though there's a nail in your tire, so that way you won't have to pull over on the side of the road, wait for a tow, or have to hassle with changing a tire on the side of the road, because let's face it, no one wants to be in that situation. So the run flat tires allow you to travel up to 50 miles in distance and up to 50 miles per hour for your speed. Well, thank you so much for joining me, Patrick people, for our 2019 May Lease Special. I'll see you guys on the next video, and feel free to check out this vehicle link down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.